Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone else's Instagram account. Okay, first of all, you can open your Instagram application on your phone, and after you have your Instagram application opened, you can go to your profile menu, tap on this profile menu, and then you're going to tap on your following. It's over here. And after that, you can select someone else's Instagram account you would like to mute. And for example, I'm gonna go with this account. So we can just tap on this three dots button on the account. Then we can simply tap on mute. Since we want to mute Instagram account, then you can choose either you want to mute post, stories, or notes. And I'm gonna go with stories. So we can just tap on the circle button on the stories. And after that, the stories from this Instagram account will be muted. And I guess that's how we can mute someone else's Instagram account. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.